Today we will discuss Lab 5. Lab 5 is the pumps gear and diaphragm pump. Pumps gear and diaphragm. Gear pump is a positive displacement pump. Positive displacement pump. The positive displacement pump can be classified into two types. One is reciprocating and the other one is rotating. And this gear pump is rotating because gears are rotating. That's why gear pump is a rotating pump. And we will see the important parts of a gear pump. And then I will explain the other how it is working also. So here you can see these are the suction side and one suction side of the gear pump, and this is the discharge side. You can see discharge side here, and inside there will be gear. I'll show you. And this is the driver. Here the motor is connected. Electric motor is connected here. This is a coupling. This coupling. This is the motor. So a motor. This is connected to the. Like this, connected to this one. So when the motor starts, this will rotate, the shaft rotate, the coupling will rotate, shaft rotate, and the gear will rotate, and here the suction and the discharge. The water will go, escape this way. That is how it happens. Water or liquid, whatever, or even crude oil, whatever. So this is the motor, and it's the coupling. It's connected, and by means of this coupling. And when motor starts, this gear will rotate, and inside I'll show you the parts of the gear pump. And there will be gasket in between here also, and one suction, one discharge. That is how it works. Now here, this is the housing. This is the gear pump housing, and this is the coupling. This is the shaft of the pump, and then this is suction, which I already explained. Then now you can see this is the gasket. This gasket is already damaged here, and this is also here. There is another gasket here, and this is the one gear here. And the other one gear here. So this gear and this one will go like this. This how it. So this is the suction side is in between here. There is a casing. This is the gear casing, causing gear housing. Look here, this is one gear. When this rotates here, this the liquid coming here, and in between the gap is there between the gear teeth. So that will push the liquid to other side here. See, if this is sucking some, if we if the liquid is sucked up from here, then discharge will be here. So because of the gap here, there will be pressure. That pressure will, because of that pressure, the liquid, either if it is water or not water, only oil. This will be pumped through the side. That is how. This is, you need two gears, one gear and two gear, one male and female like this, same thing. And this is shaft of the other gear. And here, this is a place for gasket. One gasket here, other gasket also here. You can see here. I'll show you. We'll put one gasket here. Then we'll put this one here. Then next gasket here. This is how it assembled. When it's assembled like this. That's about gear pump. So this is the coupling, shaft, and then this is inside. There will be two gears, and each gear has got a shaft and a suction discharge. And this is the driver, and where the motor, when motor starts, this coupling will start, and then it will rotate the gear, one gear, and when liquid is coming, liquid, oil, whatever, coming from here, because of the pressure generated, because of the gap between the gear, that will give pressure. Then due to the pressure, the liquid will be pumped to the other side. That's about gear pump. Thank you. This is another type of gear pump, and for demonstration purpose. This is not working, this is only demonstration purpose. So you can see here two gears here. So this is actually not made of steel or any other metal. This is all different other materials. So this is the gear, two gears are here. So this is the bearing house, this is the housing of the gear pump housing, this one pump housing. So one gear is coming here, see, and the other one come here like this. And then here you can see here, this is the place where we cover for the casing here. So we need a bolt and nut here to fix it here. There are both sides, small hole to fix it here. And then this is a suction, one side, this is discharge. Okay, because the fluid when it comes here, when the gear rotates, it will same principle before, like the gap between the gears will give the pressure, and because of the pressure, the other side it will go. And here this is there's a cover for the other side here. In between there will be gasket here. You can see white one is the gasket here. There is also one gasket here, and then come like this. And there's a mechanical seal here. This mechanical seal is fixed to prevent leak. So mechanical seal goes this way. And this is the rotating part, and this is the carbon part, and then this is the cover. And we need a screw to fix it here, tight it here. This is how this is assembled here. So this is suction, this is discharge, and in between there are two gears, and the shaft for each gear. There's a separate shaft, and gaskets are here, and mechanical seal here. The other one packing seal, the other pump, centrifugal pump. But here this is a mechanical seal. So these are the arrangement of the gear pump. Thank you. This is another lab 5. Another pump is a diaphragm pump. This diaphragm pump has got a very good application in the industry, but just for learning purpose, you need to know what is a diaphragm pump. It is again a positive displacement pump, and here this is suction side. Important parts are here, this suction, and here you can see discharge. Here suction and discharge, and here this is the two. Here you can see two membranes here, and where the liquid will be coming here. The liquid will come here, and inside there is a rubber, hard rubber inside, just like a impeller is like a hard rubber. And this hard rubber will how the liquid is pumped through the side is, and here the compressed air is coming here. This compressed air will inflate and deflate the rubber membrane inside the casing here, and that will give the pressure difference, and that because of the pressure difference, the liquid will be pumped this way. That is what it happens here. So the important parts are here: suction, discharge, and this is the casing of the pump. And inside you can see there is a rubber, hard rubber, like not like impeller, but there is like a impeller. There is a thing and component that will give the pressure difference and vacuum and pressure difference. And because of the pressure difference, the liquid will be pumped. And this is the place where the compressed air is giving. So this compressed air will give the adequate inflation and deflation of the hard rubber. That's how it works. This is a very got a high application in the industry. Thank you.